how to log into the Facebook app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll basically show you how you can log into your Facebook application. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into Facebook, first of all, just make sure that you've either downloaded or updated the Facebook app to the latest version. Then once you've done that, I want you to go over and then open it up. Now once you open it up, you'll basically see this type of interface. By default, if you have some of the passwords saved, then it will ask you to simply log into that account, or you can just tap on login to another account and then make sure to enter the mobile number as well as the password or the email address and then log into your account respectively. If you forgot your password, you can tap on forgotten password to reset it. In my case, since I've already saved it, I'll just tap on the login button here and it will automatically log in to my Facebook application with my Facebook account. As you can see over here, it's going to verify the process. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, it's going to ask you for your confirmation code as well. Keeping that thing in mind, this is simply it on how you can log into Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.